In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter actual start and finish in Microsoft Project. Keeping your schedule accurate is all about reflecting what really happened on your tasks, and Microsoft Project gives you a couple of reliable ways to do that. I'll start with the method Microsoft recommends, then show you a quick alternative, and finally explain what changes you'll see in your plan after you enter your updates. Begin by opening your project and switching to the Gantt chart view. You can find that on the View tab by choosing Gantt chart. Click the specific task you want to update. Remember, you can't record actuals on summary tasks. You need to select the individual task underneath. Now go to the Task tab. In the Schedule group, click the small arrow next to Mark on Track and choose Update Tasks. This opens a dialog designed specifically for entering real-world dates. Under the Actual section, type the actual start date. If the task is finished, also type the actual finish date. When you click OK, Project immediately applies those dates. One important note: as soon as you enter an actual finish, Project will mark the task as 100% complete automatically. That's expected behavior and helps keep status consistent. If you prefer to work directly in the grid, you can enter these dates in the actual start and actual finish columns. If you don't see them, right-click a column header and choose Insert Column. Select Actual Start, then do the same for Actual Finish. Click in the cell for the task and type the date, for example, 08/03/2026. If those fields aren't available, make sure you're in a task view like Gantt chart and that you're using a task table. This approach is handy when you're updating several tasks at once and want to scan the dates in a single place. Here's what happens behind the scenes when you enter actuals. Project updates your schedule dates so the plan matches reality. An actual start will also update the task's start date. An actual finish will update the finish date. This alignment ensures your timeline shows what truly happened rather than what was originally planned. Don't worry about losing your baseline. The original plan stays intact in the baseline start and baseline finish fields. That means you can compare planned versus actual later using variance views or baseline tables to understand where things moved and by how much. With these two methods, you'll keep your project status accurate, your reporting clean, and your stakeholders aligned on what actually happened.